Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted objects, people, or any defects in a photo using this tool. So what you need to do first is just open your browser and then type in clean up pictures in the search bar, this one, and you'll see the clean up dot pictures that you need to click. So you can remove any unwanted object, defect, people, or tags from your pictures in seconds. So what you need to do is just click here or drag an image file. So I'm going to find the file, the image that I want to delete. For example, let's try with this one. In here, I'm going to just continue with SD, and you can just brush off the items or the objects that you want to delete. For example, here I'm going to delete these objects at the top right here, so you can just brush it off like this. Just wait for the result, and you can see the objects will be gone. You can also do this for other objects that you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove this ones right here, these items. Okay, just wait, and it will gone. So to save it, you can just click on download. I'm going to show you how you can remove a person. For example, just click on open. Here I'm going to delete this person, so you can just brush it off like before. Sorry. Let's try again. So just brush it off like this. And wait for the result. You can see with people you need to do it more than one time and just brush it off until the person or the people is removed from the photo. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.